Do you know what is the most important component in a hydrogen fueling station? Crucial for the reliability and safety of high-pressure fueling stations are the valves on the high-pressure side. Nova is specialized in high-pressure technology, and with this project we went a step forward using additive manufacturing for the valves.
An additive manufactured valve calls for an interdisciplinary project combining Nova's expertise in hydrogen valves with ETH Zurich's and Inspire's expertise in product development, designed for additive manufacturing materials and processes. This enabled us to create a compact design with optimized flow paths and less sealing points. The integration of sensors adds intelligence to the valve and is the basis for IoT and Industry 4.0 networks. Within just 2 years, we designed and built an AM hydrogen valve and validated it in tough, application-specific tests. 2 patents were filed by Nova, and we are proud of winning the award at the AMX Additive Manufacturing Expo 2019.
After finishing the research project, we started with the industrialization, working on the function and reducing the costs. The last steps are to finish the extended validation and to obtain all necessary certificates. With this, Nova has set a new standard which helps our customers in building the latest generation in a hydrogen fueling station.